guys, I think we're ready to lay down our first track. By the way, my name is Bruce Dickinson. Yes, the Bruce Dickinson. And I gotta tell you, fellas, you have what appears to be dynamite sound.
Coming from you, Bruce, that means a lot. This is incredible.
I can't believe Bruce Dickinson goes sound. Easy, guys. I put on my pants like the rest of you, one leg at a time. Except once my pants are on, I make gold records. All right, don't fear the Ripper. Take one, roll it.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Guys, we just wasted a really good track. What's the deal?
Are you sure that was sounding okay?
I'll be honest, fellas. I could have used a little more cowbell, so let's take it again, and Gene, really extort the studio space this time.
You got it, Bruce.
I mean, really extort the studio space. Roll it.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Guys, we just wasted 2 really good tracks. The last one was better than the first one. What's the deal?
It's just that I kind of find Gene's cowl playing distracting. I don't know if I'm the only one. I'll shut up.
No, go.
Oh, I can pull it back low if you'd like.
Not too much, though. I'm telling you, fellas, you're gonna want the cowbell on the track.
You know, let's just do the thing.
Okay, roll it.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Sure, baby, just say it.
I'm standing here looking at rock legend Bruce Dickinson. And if Bruce Dickinson wants more cowbell, we should probably give him more cowbell.
I gotta have more cowbell, baby.
And, Bobby, you are right. I am being selfish. The last time I checked, we don't have a whole lot of songs that feature the cowbell.
Say it, baby.
And I'd be doing myself a disservice and every member of this band if I didn't perform the heck out of this.
Guess what? I got a fever, and the only prescription is more cowbell.
Thanks, Bruce. But I think if we leave, and I'll lay down the cowbell later.
Gene, wait. We can do this right now. Together, baby.
You need that?
Oh, yeah, baby.
You need that?
Oh, yeah.
Thanks, guys.
Babies, before we're done here, y'all be wearing golden-plated diapers. Never question Bruce Dickinson. Roll it.
1, 2, 3, 4.